In today's tech-driven world, cell phones are increasingly used as communication tools for work. The ToolMate Link Smartphone Jacket by KEY-BAK is the first tethering solution designed to merge safety with function. Any tool carried at height poses a dangerous threat to people below. Even with proper safeguards in place, accidents still happen, especially when we're distracted or busy. Dropped or broken phones are expensive, costing upwards of $1,000 to replace, not to mention team downtime and loss of productivity. The smartphone jacket features a clear capacitive cover, allowing normal use of touchscreens and forward and reverse cameras, also allowing full access to fingerprint readers. Keep your employees safe, informed, in contact, and productive. Before you deploy your workers, make sure that their phones are tethered with the KEY-BAK Pro smartphone jacket. KEY-BAK Professional, working at height made easy. Learn more at www.dropsafetyequipment.com.